I thought you said the market only goes up. The stocks went down.
You see the words coming out of my mouth right now, they mean absolutely nothing. Blah, 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 blah. It doesn't matter, you understand? What's up, people? I can say all these great, fantastic things about stocks, the environment, the political landscape, globalization, systemic risk, Bollinger Bands, and stochastics. You know you could take a stochastic and stochastic it right up your ass, you understand? Because nothing matters unless you're in the heat of the moment, in the heat of the battle. Now, I know this is hindsight to some of you, but who called the QCOR trade? Anybody? Raise your hand. Who called the QCOR trade? Down there? The QCOR K, the QCOR Kaku, the Kikat Kuku. The thing is, sure, we called the QCOR trade, but as soon as this thing fell like 50 cents, a dollar, we were done. So, was it a good trade or bad trade? When a stock falls 27 points after you get out, you got to think you have some sort of magic powers. Now, some of you guys actually got involved in the options on the QCOR. Congratulations, you just paid for your subscription for life. You paid for your subscription for life for everybody in the room, if you think about it. If you bought 10 contracts at a dollar and they went to 8 or 10 or 12 or 20, or the ones that were at nickel that went to 7 or 8, it doesn't matter. Let's go to the chart and explain why and what. There's a reason for these videos that mean nothing. I'm saying shit now. 10 minutes later, it doesn't matter. It's about the heat of the moment. We did 2 trades yesterday morning, and that was one day. Then the middle of the day, there was another day, and at the end of the day, there was another day. It doesn't matter, kids. Just get here. We're doing so well lately. It's unbelievable. It's been the sickest thing ever. You understand? I've been doing this for a long time, what's been happening, and I don't know what people were talking about Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yeah, there was low volume. Sure, there was nobody around. Oh, the market wasn't going anywhere, but there was thousands of things going on, which was crazy. You would think there would be nothing going on. We found plenty, and yesterday, no matter what you think about this tight range of the market, we had some of the most vicious, nasty trades ever. QCOR, Coinstar, just disintegrating. And then we shorted the MCP. We shorted some ANR. Every stock that we loved on the way up. Rational thought, people. Rationality came back to the market yesterday, and there was, Jesus Christ, there was profit taking and actual pullbacks. It can happen. It's amazing. Let's take a look at why we liked QCOR and Coinstar. Just call the videotape. Shut up! Alright, what's up? So you all are getting an idea of how I like doing my charting, and let me explain to you why we were shorting QCOR before any of that hell broke loose yesterday. Basically a stock that I loved because I love stocks that have taken beatdowns. They found some support. Take a look at the 250-day chart. Stock got hammered down from 57 all the way down to 35. Fell right back into this channel of support. Found some support. I'm not saying we picked it up here, but on about 42.50 we were getting long that stock. We made some money in there, and then of course it ran a little bit without us, but here's why we were looking for it short. Take a look at the 90-day chart. Right here we had a little blow off top, and the next couple of days we made a series of lower highs, another failed attempt to rally, but this was the significant day. This was Tuesday. Let me show you Tuesday on a 10-minute chart. At the end of the day, we had some weakness. The stock broke 50. Sure, it recaptured the 50, but this was a really big, scary looking drop there at the close, so we kept it on our short list, looking for that stock to show some more weakness. Now, what were we looking for? We were looking just for it to break 49.89, and then possibly, if this thing was going to really accelerate, 48.90. This low and this low. So when we got it, we were saying, let's get this stock short. Let's continue to short the stock and look for it to surge down to 46.70. And when it broke 46.70, the next stop, I was thinking it was going to close this gap all the way to 43. I wasn't going to ask why, but there it went. Continued to fall. Now, nobody held the stock from 49 all the way down to 22. Nobody. But I do believe there were some people that got involved in the options. They did pretty well. Congratulations to them. You paid for your subscription to the Hit the Bid room for the lifetime of your life and everybody else in the room as well. And then we took that money and we had one more idea, was the Coinstar. And now, same looking chart, a little blow off top, a failed attempt to rally under the moving averages. And again, we're not shorting up here. We're not, we don't have crystal balls. Here it looks like it's going to go higher. But then, failed attempt of a rally, failed down, and now all we were looking for this stock to do was break the low of the day from the previous day, 50.87. So we got it. Now take a look at this. 10-minute chart on here. All we wanted this stock to do was break that 50.60 area. We got short at around 50.20. We just wanted it to get to, and we set this up as a swing trade. So we took a small amount, threw it in an account, and we put a bid on at 48.35. Why 48.35? I thought on a sell-off we could probably get to this price right here. I like to look at that last green candle, 48.35. I'm sorry, hang on, it was right here. I was looking for it to get right around here, about 48.35, and get into this these three candle spot right here. Put my bid out at 48.35, and what do you know, we immediately got done. Didn't think we'd get done that quickly, but fantastic trade. Only had a couple of hundred shares on this time, but we made 2 points, so you can't complain. And right now we're thinking about going to cash in a lot of our positions, and we'll go through that on the show today. So stop by hitthebid.com and see what we're looking at. Thanks a lot, guys.